Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Microsoft 365 account and that Teams is enabled. Make sure your profile is signed into the correct work or school account. Once done, open Outlook, desktop, or web, then switch to calendar view so you can create an event. You choose New Meeting as the first actionable step. Include a clear title and time. This approach prevents confusion later because calendar context ties the meeting to your availability and Teams integration automatically. You now build the meeting. Click New Meeting and enable the Teams meeting toggle or button so a join link is generated. Add required attendees and pick date and time. In the body, paste a short agenda so attendees know the purpose. Once done, check recurrence options and time zone settings if participants are remote. Make sure to set a sensible duration and, if helpful, add optional attendees or files so everyone arrives prepared. You finish by reviewing all details, attaching any prep files, and then clicking Send so invites go to attendees with the Teams join link. Once sent, verify the meeting shows a Teams link. If the link is missing, test by creating a private meeting or opening the event in Outlook on the web. If problems persist, sign out and back in, update or reinstall the Teams add-in for Outlook, or simply use Outlook Web as a reliable fallback method.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.